Buddy, what we're going to be doing tonight is unboxing a Dodge Charger police cruiser. One of those electric vehicles for your kids. It's made by Trax for 3 years and above, 12-volt battery. It ranges from speeds from 2.5 miles an hour to 5 miles per hour, and it has a 130-pound weight limit. Total weight. It has seat belts, lights and siren, and from what we read, it goes over everything. It's got very good reviews. We actually went a few places to find it. You could order it online, but we were fortunate to find it at a Walmart. They had several of them. But with Christmas coming, we thought everybody would enjoy us unboxing and trying to put it together. So we'll talk to you in a second. Okay, the way this is I found a seam along here, so we'll just cut it along the tape here and along this way here. Really not cutting any cardboard yet, it's just tape. Might be a seam here. Okay, cut along here. Flip it up. Okay, as you can see, looks like it's going to come in some pieces. Everything's wrapped in plastic. Looks like they've got a lot of stuff in there to protect it. So we'll just take these off a piece at a time and see how they did here. We'll try to get it all unloaded and then look for the directions. This is one piece. Alright. Before I pull it out, I'm just going to cut open the plastic and take pieces out. Okay, so we got the front bumper all wrapped in plastic. I'm not going to wrap anything until I figure out how it says to put it together. Looks like we got the rear trunk. Got two of the one wheel. Another wheel. Here's the directions that I'll probably end up ignoring. Steering wheel. Seats, they look pretty cool. Got some padding on there. The other seat. Okay, so now all I'll do is I'm going to pull the body out and then move this box out of the way. It looks like there's something else not hooked up there. Let's see what's this. Oh, there was another piece that was loose, but it wasn't covered in plastic. That looks like that's the back end. The other piece that I thought was the back end was probably the trunk. So we'll set that there. I'm going to turn this around in just a second because there's a lot more pieces here that they separately wrapped. Let's see if that goes to something. But when you turn it around, you have some more pieces that were wrapped in here separately in plastic. So I think what I'll do is I'll take those out and see what those are. Okay, well, wow, they really did a good job. These are the other tires. Looks like they try to conserve space, so a couple more tires, one tire there. Another tire. Let's see. The bumper guard. Looks like an axle. Seems like that might be it that's hidden anywhere. So let me pull this out. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this out of the box, get this out of the way, and we'll come back in just a second. Okay, just to save some time, I already took all the plastic as we showed earlier. Everything was really packed well, I believe, and nothing came scratched, so I just kind of unloaded everything out of the packaging. But this I wanted to show you how it was packed differently, and I think this might be the doors. This was in its own separate little container, and yeah, it looks to be the doors. Just probably the way they didn't want to get squished or something, so.
Or broken.
Kind of cool. Got metal hinges. Nothing else in here, so we'll get rid of that. Okay, and as you can see, the directions came in its own little bag. And let's see what comes inside here. You have a screw pack. Can't see it that well. And you have, looks like the hubcaps or the hubcap centerpieces. And you have a wrench. You have a decal. Please do not return this product to the store. And the directions. So what we're going to start doing here in a minute is I'm going to make another video on putting this thing together. So thank you for watching the unwrapping, and we'll get back with you with another video on putting this thing together. Thank you. I thought since I was probably in the way of all the parts looked all unpacked, figured before I start building I'd show you how everything was. Like I said, it was all in plastic before, but now we just laid it out so when we start putting it together it'd be easier to get the parts. You can tell we have a little bit of cramped space in here right now because our garage is kind of full, but we'll work around it and we'll help you out so you guys can put yours together for your kids. Thanks!